In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your credit score on NerdWallet following the 25 guide. Whether you're gearing up for a big purchase like a home or a car, or just want to keep an eye on your financial health, knowing your credit score is crucial. Let's dive into the simple and straightforward process to check it on NerdWallet. To start, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the NerdWallet website. You can do this by typing nerdwallet.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted with a wealth of financial information. If you're new to NerdWallet, think of it as your personal finance assistant, offering a range of tools to help you make smarter financial decisions. Next, you'll want to log into your existing account or create one if you haven't yet. Today, we're using Google's sign-in tool for convenience. So look for the Continue with Google button and click on it. This step streamlines the login process by using your Google account credentials, making your life a little bit easier. If you're already logged into a Google account on your browser, this might take just one click. If not, just enter your Google email and password when prompted. Remember to ensure that your internet connection is secure before entering any personal information to safeguard your data. Now that you're logged in, you should see the NerdWallet homepage. The next step is to locate the My NerdWallet section. You're likely to find this in the top menu or dashboard area. Go ahead and click on it. This page serves as your personal financial hub on the site, giving you access to a plethora of useful features, like your credit score. Once you're on your personalized dashboard, look for the option labeled Credit Score. It's typically displayed quite prominently, possibly alongside other vital financial information like your accounts and transactions. Click on the Credit Score tab to proceed. As you navigate to this section, NerdWallet provides you with a detailed breakdown of your credit score. This includes the actual score, along with insights into what factors are influencing it. You'll likely see things like payment history, credit utilization, and other relevant details that contribute to your overall score. It's a powerful tool for understanding what you're doing right and where you might improve. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, you've successfully checked your credit score on NerdWallet. Keeping a regular eye on your score can help you make informed financial decisions, catch any inaccuracies early, and ultimately guide you toward achieving your financial goals. Well, thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and guides. See you next time.